Hi guys. Notice anything? Yes, I'm at home. Anything else? Ah, look at these grays. So many grays. Ah! This is what I'm talking about. I've never been this gray in my life. I don't think there's ever gonna be a better before and after. So first things first, make sure you do an allergy test right behind your ear 48 hours before coloring. Don't forget the gloves. Now you're gonna squeeze your permanent color into your developer cream. Close your bottle up and shake. Be sure you put your finger over this. Okay, time to color. Start with the roots. I go from back to front, massage it in. Just put it where it's needed. Mine is everywhere. Now I'm gonna use the rest of the product and run it through the end of my hair. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Color's done. Time to shampoo. Now it's time to condition. I'm not the best blow dryer. I look like Beyonce, but I think I did a pretty good job. No more gray! No more grays! Oh my God, I'm so happy. Me? Grays? No. There's no place like home. Plus, it's always nice to take a little me time. You're worth it.